Welcome to Lion Pride TV.
Here's your reviews for the next week. Please turn in any Cedar Point money ASAP. It's way past due. May 10th is free physical day. Current ice is also May 10th. There will be a fire drill on May 9th, Thursday. Mother's Day is Sunday, May 12th. And don't forget to get your mom a gift.
Are you guys tired of eating eggs for breakfast? Just plain old eggs? Well, I got some good news for you. Try Crave.
What are you eating?
What are you eating? I'm eating Crave. Have you ever tried it?
No.
It's a cereal. You can eat it dry or with milk, and it has chocolate in the middle. Here, let me put y'all on.
Man, I think I'm gonna stop reading. Thanks.
Come get your Crave at your local Walmart.
For 6th grade Positive Student of the Week, we have Thea Farrell. Thea has had a fantastic year in 6th grade. Thea has worked hard all year and has grown so much socially and academically. She has become a confident leader in the classroom, and she's always eager to work with struggling students. Keep up the great work, Thea.
For 7th grade, we have Ariana Mailey. Ariana is always respectful and kind to myself and others, and is always in an agreeable mood regardless of the situation. She always works hard to get her work done in math and her other classes.
For 8th grade Positive Student of the Week, we have Kurt Wolf. Kurt always does a great job of completing his work on time and is quick to make up work when he's absent. And I've never had to ask him to do something twice. He's always polite and a pleasure to have in class.
Go Kurt!
iPhone's coming out with the new iPhone 16 in September. It's probably going to be exactly the same like all the other iPhones. It is.
Wednesday we'll have a high of 78 and a low of 62 and sunny. Thursday we'll have a high of 63 and a low of 51 and rainy. Friday we'll have a high of 59 and a low of 46 and cloudy. This will be in the 60s and cloudy. Hi, AB Mays here. Today we're talking about Motivator Money, the greatest product you can ever have. Are you sad? He can fix that. Now, some words from our testimonies.
My car broke down, wife left me, kids left me, my parakeet just up and flew away. What can I do?
Well, I want you to know it'll all be okay.
Man.
Yeah.
Still not convinced? Here's some more evidence.
Yesterday, I told Mr. Money that my shoulder hurts. Now only my hip hurts.
Yesterday, we lost our 4x1 and our 4x2. Coach Money told me that losing, I would remember it for the rest of my life and it would haunt my nightmares and dreams, but I would be okay.
Yesterday, we lost our 4x8. We got 4th place. I was pretty mad, but Mr. Money said it'll all be okay. And then I was happy again. And then we got 2nd place at ABC. And then I wanted to cry, but then he said it'd be okay. And then I was happy.
All right, was that good? Well, if you want this product, you need to give me $20.
Congratulations to the boys 4x2 team with a new school record of 1 minute 41.96 seconds.
This is Deacon Cowden here with Tyson Petty, win a state for track.
Saturday, May 11th.
You gonna win?
Probably not.
Do you know who qualified?
No.
Hi, I'm Kelly Valens. I'm here with Charlie Galley. How do you feel about qualifying for state?
We feel really good about it.
Okay. How do you think you'll do at state?
We think we're hoping to get on the podium, which is top 8, but right now we're ranked 22nd, but we're within 4 seconds of 8th place.
Fun.
I'm here with Tyson Petty and Anderson Scott. How do you feel about qualifying for state?
Good.
Good.
How do you think you're going to do at state?
I think that will do pretty good.
This is Deacon Cowden with Gabe Martino. How do you feel about qualifying for state? Pretty good. What do you think you're gonna place? Hoping at least 5th. Last. This is Deacon Calvin with Y Gonzalez. How do you feel about qualifying for? This is Deacon Calvin with Y Gonzalez. This is Deacon Calvin with Y Gonzalez. This is Deacon Calvin with Y.
Bro, it's not that.
This is Deacon Calvin with Y Gonzalez. Dude.
It's not funny anymore.
This is Deacon Calvin with Wyatt.
Fruit roll-ups.
They're very yummy. They give you superpowers.
They make you grow tall.
0.
I'm Kennedy, your house today. I'm here with Mr. Johnson. Mr. Johnson, what is the planet that is known as the Red Planet?
Mars.
Okay. Who discovered electricity?
Is that Edison?
No.
No, Franklin. Benjamin Franklin.
Okay. You got it. What is the world's largest ocean?
Pacific.
Who came up with the theory of
Relativity?
Yeah, whatever that is.
That wasn't Newton, was it? No, that was the laws of gravity. Relativity? Pass.
Okay. What is the national bird of the United States?
Eagle. Did you know that they sound like chickens and walk like this?
What language is spoken in Brazil?
Brazilian. I'm just kidding. Spanish?
No, Portuguese.
Oh, Portuguese. That was my third guess.
Who directed the movie Jurassic Park?
Oh, Spielberg.
Yes. What is sushi traditionally wrapped in?
Like a rice cake or something, right? A little rice leaf? Rice leaf?
Seaweed.
Seaweed. That's my 7th guess.
What is the main ingredient in humans? Or no, hummus.
Oh my gosh. I was like, blood? I don't know. In the hummus?
Yes.
Ooh. Probably sadness.
Chickpeas. Who is the author of the Harry Potter series?
J.K. Rowling.
Okay, good job.
Who am I here with today?
Deputy Van Camp.
We're gonna ask you some trivia questions. You ready?
Yep.
Which planet is known as the Red Planet?
Mars.
Who discovered electricity?
Franklin.
Yeah. What's the world's largest ocean?
Atlantic.
Pacific. Who came up with the theory of relativity?
Watson.
Albert Einstein. What is the national bird of the United States?
Bald eagle.
Yeah. What language is spoken in Brazil?
Spanish.
Portuguese. Who directed the movie Jurassic Park?
No idea.
Steven Spielberg. What is sushi typically wrapped in?
No idea either. Elaborate.
Seaweed. What is the main ingredient in hummus?
Peas, chickpeas.
Yeah. Who is the author of the Harry Potter series?
No idea.
J.K. Rowling. How many did you get right?
Not sure.
How do you feel that you beat Deputy Van Camp in a trivia quiz?
This is a fantastic. From the moment I graduated from high school, I said what I want to do most is win a trivia contest as a middle school teacher. Last year I won MVP of the student staff game. This year I won MVP of trivia. Next year, there's no telling where I'll be. Thank you very much.
Yeah, we're gonna have to make a winner's bracket. See if you can win the whole thing.
Oh yeah. Let's
I'm a hungry lumberjack. Ooh, what's this? Hungry Jack syrup. That's pretty good. This was pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty good.
We love Hungry Jack.
Use this, Timmy. Use this when I got hit by a train. It works. Trust me. The Ultra Back Fixer.
This looks great.
Got you.
Man, I feel good. Thank you, Sam. I think it worked.
I got you.
Yeah.
So.
For broken backs,
For broken necks,
for broken feet,
for broken hips,
heck, even toilet paper.
you can call this number. You can get one free.
Call in the next 30 seconds and you get it free.
Thank you for watching Lion Pride TV.